Well, YouTube, so you can see I kind of just put the old flooring that I had put there. I ran out, didn't have enough because it's old. And so I had to buy this stuff, and of course, it's not in there right. And don't judge me, I'm just doing it as I could. This part, I don't want this in there. I want this somewhere else, but I'm going to have to leave it in there temporary until I can get more money to get this part of floor to do it right. So it's not half color, half there, and half-ass job. But this is the part over here. I did it this way because the other way I did it that way with that floor and it didn't work out as good. And see, it's already coming apart there because it's not together and I didn't get it in the groove. So don't judge me on that. But it'll eventually look better. So I got it cut around the vent. This is just permanent marker I got to get off there. But it's not perfect, like I said. But it makes it better than the old wood floor. And this is what I've been doing. Like I said, I haven't had a chance to do YouTube videos or any cold start videos, but I'll try to get a cold start video soon on my Avalanche. It has been started for, what, 2 weeks? And it was down below zero. You can see this floor here is where the oil stove used to be or whatever it was in this house in the 50s. And this wood gives me slivers, so I want to cover it up and make it look nice. Right now it's 16 above zero. It was 3, and it was below zero that one night. I had to turn the heat down because it was just hot. I could put it at 69, but nah, we don't need that number right now. So anyway, I kind of pieced it together with that other floor. I thought I'd have enough on that, but I bought 8 packages of these planks, and there was 8 in each package. So yeah, it's one of them ordeals. And then gotta finish painting that because I took that out, and I was gonna take the carpet out underneath this thing here, but I thought, well, it looks nice like that. Just trim it up, get that a little cleaned up more, and then clean it up around there a little more, and then we should be good. But the main project is get my living room nice for the winter, and then next fall let's get some new windows outside, and in my bedroom there are a couple windows, so you can see that floor. It gives me slivers right in that area. It's staying good there, then it's not. It's not very good floor. So I haven't been feeling like doing videos, and there's really nothing really to film, to be honest. And I get out to the farm, I'll show you what we've been doing. We got all our equipment in the machine shed, and everything else is organized and stuff like that. So yeah, basically doing stuff behind the scenes. So anyway, hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving, and probably see you before Christmas with a video once every 2 weeks or every 1 week. One video every 1 week. Whatever, same thing. Well, okay, so here's the finished project. It's going to be for a while. It's not in there in the grooves completely right, and it's not straight if people got OCD. I kind of do, but it's going to have to be that way. So this part's going to be light for now, and I ran out for putting it together there and whatever. But this floor here is expensive, and I'm going to have to wait until I get some more money. See, I still got to put together over there. And I got most of it over there until there, and then I still got to finish that over there, and then it'll be all complete. I thought it was going to probably look weird with that there, and that color there, and that color over there, but I think it's going to look cool. Let's look at that. I got it the lawn way this way, and the lawn way that way on that middle one. And then over there is this floor that's underneath there covered up so people don't get splinters. And it's that way on that side too. And then I got to touch up the paint because I kind of like to leave the paint like that because I think it looks cool with half blue and half white and whatever between the middle of the paneling. And got to finish getting that electrical boxes fixed and these cords around here, and other than that, it's coming along really good. I don't think I'm gonna do no cold start on my Avalanche tonight. I am tired. I've been working on this floor since who cares. See, it says who cares. That's exactly how long I've been working on it. I've actually been working on it 12 hours today. I had a couple little breaks. And I've had enough. I'm literally going to have a little beer, take a hot shower, and game. And just forget about this. But I don't have the trim on. It's not completely finished. Yes, whatever. It's not going to be perfect. But I am impressed how that looks. Next project is the kitchen. I hate that floor. And then 2 windows. And then we got to just slow down. I got to fix that where that dumbwaiter was. And then I got to fix that. I'm going to put flooring in there. And then fix the trim a little bit and do some odd and end work there. And put the trim back on that door too, because it doesn't look good. So I got a lot to do yet. So little time. But she's coming along really nice. Mint. We'll find out my Avalanche will old start, cold start. Temperature of 24. It's actually one above out. So let's see here. It's been sitting here 2 weeks. That's the hardest it's ever started. Oh, no check engine light now, which is cool. She's not too happy. I've never had it start that rough, but there is a issue with it. It don't. Once in a while it'll start up, and then when it's warm, it'll be sitting there idling, and it'll die. So I don't know. This fuel pump's probably going on or something. It's not warmed up yet, but I'm gonna crank her up. Oh boy, that's even stiff. So I'm gonna let the oil circulate around before I put her in reverse, because yeah, it is literally cold out. Keep showing ice on there. It is pretty darn cold. Now it's 22 and dropping. I don't think it's 22 degrees in here, but it is what it is.